Hi everyone, and welcome to the Aquatree channel. I'm Molly, one of your Aquatree experts, and I am so excited to introduce you to this amazing hydroponic garden. The Aquatree team has been developing this system for years, perfecting it into an all-in-one indoor garden that maximizes your crop yield with low maintenance and can have you growing a variety of crops like an expert in less than 15 minutes. From proteins to microgreens, you can even grow herbs and lettuce. The options are endless. It's not just easy to assemble. Our system was also created to be so simple to use that even novice gardeners will be able to grow pounds of food every week just by adding seeds to a tray. Once you harvest, getting ready for the next grow cycle is as easy as running the non-electrical parts through your dishwasher. The Aquatree team is passionate about supporting healthy lifestyles and educating people on the tremendous health benefits from eating foods like microgreens and cruciferous vegetables. From potential cancer-fighting qualities to just improving quality of life. It's amazing the benefits you get just from adding a few ounces to your diet every day. We are so grateful to have you visiting with us today and incorporating the Aquatree as your journey begins to a healthier you. If you want to learn more, we have tons of valuable content to help you master your Aquatree game. From expert tips and tricks to wonderful insights from our community members. Check out our other videos and remember to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you get the latest updates as they're posted. Thanks again for joining us. I'm Molly, and I'll see you on the next one.